Hey signers, let's add some fruits and veggies to your signing diet. I am going to teach Elaine and you 20 basic fruit and veggie signs to maybe encourage him to eat them more. Now let's learn how to sign fruit and veggie signs. All right, now all we need is Lane. Wonder where he is. What? I had no idea you were down there. Are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Okay, do you like fruit and vegetables?
A little.
A little? Maybe at the end of this you'll like them more?
Maybe.
Okay. Before we begin, I want to tell you that many fruits and vegetable signs have variations. I'm gonna teach you the way that I do it, but you can see that there are variations out there. In fact, you can check out our dictionary to see the signs that I'm teaching you and the variations. Let's start out with some fruits. Fruit, an F hand twisted right here. Fruit. All right, can you do fruit? Very good. Do you have any favorite fruits?
I would say a banana and oranges.
Sounds pretty solid. Apple. Apple. It's this X-shaped hand on the side, twisting. All right, can we do apple? Good job. A little crazy of a hand. There you go, that's good. Banana. Banana. Here's the banana, and you're peeling it. Now a banana. What does it look like we're doing?
Peeling.
Peeling, there you go. You have a special skill for sounds. Orange. Orange. It's like the orange juice is squeezing off of your chin. Orange. This is a little aggressive. 10 minutes later. And he's done. Grapes. Grapes. Your dominant hand is coming down, making the bunches of grapes. Good job. Do you like red or green grapes better?
Red.
Red, I agree.
Because I barely had green grapes.
That's a good point. Cherry. Cherry. Here's the stem, here's the cherry. Can you do cherry? Good job. Wanna eat it now? Peach. Peach. Think of peach fuzz. Peach. Yummy peaches. Melon. Melon. What do you do to check if a melon is ripe? You thump it. And we do melon, flick the melon. Yep, thump, thump, thump. Was it good? Okay, good. Strawberry. Strawberry. You have an F-shaped hand, flicking it out from your mouth. All right, can you do strawberry? You're eating a lot of strawberries right now. Lemon. Lemon. An L-shaped hand coming down. Can you do lemon? Do you like lemonade?
Yes.
And what is lemonade made from? Lemons, very good. Now, let's switch to veggies. Vegetables. Vegetables. It's a V, twisting. Vegetables. Do you like vegetables? Oh, good. That's good to know.
Actually, kind of.
Oh, okay.
Not much.
That's pretty true. Carrot. Carrot. Notice I'm putting the carrot in my mouth and going, can you do carrot? You're really going after that carrot. Tomato. Tomato. Red and slicing tomato. You sliced it. Good job. Are you like a ninja? Potato. Potato. You have bent V hands coming down. Can you do potato? Very good. You like potatoes, right? French fries are made out of potatoes.
I did not know that.
Well, now you know. Lettuce. Lettuce. Like a head of lettuce. All right, lettuce. Very good. Because it's a head of lettuce.
Yeah, because heads are big and lettuces are big.
There you go. Great perspective. Onion. Onion. It's that X-shaped tan near your eye because onions make you cry. Onion. Because onions make you cry. Did you know that?
Yes.
You did.
And if you're allergic to onions, they will make you sneeze and cry.
Okay. Corn. Corn. Think of that corn on a cob going corn. Corn. You eating some good corn on the cob right now? Yeah. Peas. Peas. It's the little pod with the little peas. Peas. Good job. Like little peas in a pod.
Peas.
Broccoli. Broccoli. It's like the head of broccoli with all its little clumps. Broccoli.
Broccoli.
A lot of broccoli. You've got a lot of them. Spinach is typically fingerspelled, but I've seen this one like Popeye. Spinach because it makes you strong. All right, and spinach.
Spinach.
Because it makes you strong, like Popeye.
Like the place Popeyes?
No, not like the chicken place Popeyes. Do you know who Popeye is? All right, Lane. Thank you for joining me today.
Thanks. Bye.
I have no idea where he went. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Do you want red or green grapes? Grape, red, green, want which? The banana bread smells delicious. Banana bread smell delicious. Does the salad have onions in it? Salad have onion? Question, question. Now that you have had a helping of fruit and veggie signs, go and get a delicious snack of some. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.